Hey guys, it's Pyrex the Python Iranian, and I'm playing Overnight 2. Now, I had this game for like quite a while now. So let's just jump into this if it'll let me. It should let me. The heck? Are you kidding me? Stupid thing. I'm trying this again. Here we go. This should work. Please work. Yes. Alright. Wow. This is so real. Oh look at this. It's the old ones from the old location. Wow. Okay. Stupid flashlight won't even work. And there's like a toy animatronics. What? I'm turning. Oh, and here's the stupid puppet. I can't do this. I can't. Can't even do this. Stand beside him and press E. Or click. Dang it. Had to place this down. Here you are. Oh, okay, so I just rewind it. Okay, it's night 1. It's now 1 a.m. And in another hour, they should start moving. So I have his friend Freddy Fazbear head. Even though my character he wears like any type of worker would wear, like a light turquoise uniform with like yellow, and he wears all black. But I don't know what to do here. So apparently I had to wind this up, which is not easy. I'll just fix this thing up. Oh my god! Quick, click it, click it, click the dang thing! Click it, click it, click the stupid thing! Click it! I swear if he comes up behind me, I swear, is he right there? I can't turn around. I can't. Just going to like wear with his head. Wait, hold on. Okay, I got. Okay, I have a Fazbear hat on. And I can't seem to like do anything. Yep. Yep, apparently I'm dead. Nope. Come on, come on, come on. This drains so quickly. It's like every second of it. I'm aware of a stupid head. Come on, I'm wearing a suit. I feel like crying out loud. I'm wearing a suit. And they won't recognize me. Shoot, my stupid flashlight keeps... Ah! I hate this flashlight. I really hate it. Mommy, go back in your room, Tommy. Sorry, fella, that's my brother. So anyway, can't seem to move around. Cause I'm scared of them. Come on! I don't need you! Come on! You know it's me! You know it's me. Yes. No! God dang it, puppet! God dang it! Stupid Wilver Chica. Yeah. You know what? My guy is stuffed in his suit because of you. Ugh, Chica, I could punch you. You and your metal mouth with some wires in there. A big old costume. And there's my friend who was stuffed in a bunny suit. So this sucks. Alright, well, see ya guys. Pyrex the Python Iranian out.